So guys, after setting up your Solana wallet, you also need to know how to mint contract addresses on the Solana network ecosystem. So to do so, all you have to do is log into your Solid wallet, locate the plus sign, then click on it. These are a list of tokens you can add up to your wallet automatically. So you swipe across popular tokens and then you click on manual input. And as you can see over here, you need the token mint address, the token name, as well as the token symbol to enable you add Solana contract addresses to solet.io wallet. This also applies if you are using Phantom app wallet. So you paste your mint address, you enter the token name and enter the token symbol. Before you click on add, you need to be aware that you are going to pay a gas fee to add your mint address to solet.io wallet. So after you enter your details, you click on add to add it up. There you go. Easy, straightforward, and you can do it, of course, on your mobile phone. See here.